11.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me as the host for tonight, Muhammad Yusril Abidin. And as usual, I'm already with BPEC Makassar here. BPEC?
Wow,
bright and breezy. And as usual, every single Tuesday night we always conduct a discussion section, and we are talking about, of course, interesting topic. And for tonight, we will discuss about, what is the topic, Kak?
The topic for today
is street food. Yes, of course. I think that's the familiar phrase that you always hear in daily life, street food. But before that, I'd like to invite the speaker here, the handsome one, to introduce himself. Okay, please, Kak.
Okay, smart listener, my name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian. I just finished my study in Satria University. Thank you.
Okay, so what is your activity, your current activity?
My current activity right now is I just active in BPC community.
Okay, BPC community.
Yes.
Okay, as the senior.
Yes.
Okay. So you are the representative of BPC Makassar.
Yes.
Don't you when you explain what actually BPC to the smart listener?
Oh, okay. BPC itself is stand for Benteng Panjua English Club. Is located in Benteng, Rotterdam. And we start our meeting every Sunday.
Okay.
Every Sunday morning at 10 a.m. until 2 a.m.
2 p.m.
Yeah, 2 p.m.
Okay.
And in BPC we have several items in that BPC. So the first item is what is it?
Who am I? Okay.
And the second is ice breaking.
Okay.
The third is discussion and debating. The fourth is
Okay.
building skill.
Okay.
The fifth is entertainment. And the last is announcement.
Okay.
Okay.
So is it free of charge?
Yeah, this is free of charge. Everyone can come.
Okay.
Even you are still student, you are the parents, you are the child.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's
Okay, so for you guys, for you smart listener who want to improve your English skill, especially in speaking, of course you can join in BPC Makassar in Benteng in Fort Rotterdam every single Sunday.
Yes.
From 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. And as Kak Brian mentioned before, that there are six items
six
there.
items, yes.
Like who am I until
Who am I
announcement
until
section.
yes.
And is it the good news is that's free of charge.
Free of charge.
And can be accessed for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about the street food.
Yes.
And before we talk more about street food, we have to know what actually the definition of street food. Okay, Kak Brian, can you explain the definition of street food on your own?
Yeah, in my on my opinion, street food is the food like someone sell it on the street.
On the street.
Yeah, like junk food
Okay.
or maybe cake and also they sell like
Fruit.
fruit.
Okay.
And many more.
Okay, I do agree with that. Like, actually, basically, the street food consists of two words.
Yes,
The first one is street, and the second one is food.
Yes.
And from that word, we can conclude that the street food is the market that exists in the street,
yes.
and mostly in the beside of the street.
Yeah.
And it can be like the junk food, majority of the street food is junk food and fruit, dessert, and also vegetables. And sometimes we can get like fish, you know.
Yeah, fish.
Yes, that's actually familiar one. And in your based on yourself, what is the street food that you like the most?
Okay. The street food that I mostly like is mostly is a junk food.
Okay, junk food.
Yes.
Okay.
Like gorengan or
terang bulan,
terang bulan,
like that.
yes,
Sweet martabak. Okay.
Sweet martabak, yes.
Pisang moleng,
Yeah,
something
pisang
like
moleng,
that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Don't you like fruit, the healthy one?
I don't really.
Not really.
Yeah, not really.
Okay, for me myself, I think, I would say that I love every single thing in the street food.
Yes.
Even if like people mention that it's not really health, but I mean that's cheap and expensive, so we can access it with like student money, you know.
Student money, yeah.
Yeah. Student wallet, yes, that's accessible.
Yeah.
So, people also mention that if you want to save your money, you can just buy street food instead of buying food in a restaurant, cafe, or something like that.
Yes.
So, do you agree with that? Do you agree with that?
The street food is more is more cheap than in a restaurant, because in the restaurant we will pay the tax.
Pay the tax.
Yeah,
yes.
pay the tax. And the different with the street food, we just can buy directly without something. How to say, paying like in the restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the street food is more cheap than the restaurant.
Okay, so we would say that the street food is cheaper than the restaurant.
Yes.
And if we want to save our money, so the best solution is buy the street food. Okay. And the second issue is like people say that that's correct if you mention that if you want to save your money, so then go to the street food.
Yes.
But then the case is the people, the researcher, the doctor mentioned that if you buy the street food, especially the junk food, of course that can affect your body health. So how do you prevent that thing? I mean, how do you respond that?
Yeah, of course. If we buy a street food, we cannot guarantee that that food is hygiene. So my solution is you just how to say
what
you just how to say choose the right food. I mean like if we think that this is the how to say this is the healthy food, just buy like you said before, there is fruit, there is vegetable, or the sweet.
Okay. Yes, I mean
we have to minimize that. We have to buy the street food.
Oh, okay. So the point is, I mean, the point that I get from your explanation is, like, we have to know the limitation.
Yeah, limitation.
We cannot like over consuming the junk food
or minimize.
Yeah, like just minimize the junk food, and I mean try to buy some fruit.
Yes.
So I mean the healthy one. So then that can make you become healthier.
Yeah.
I mean, don't always consuming the junk food every day. Like maybe just once in a week, for example.
Maybe.
Can you do that? I mean, just buy once in a week.
I cannot do that.
Why?
I cannot guarantee.
Why?
Because if there is something I like on the street, I just buy it without without assuming that that food is healthy or not.
Okay. And I think, I mean, I will ask you later after the commercial break. So for the smart listener, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, and we'll back after the commercial break.